Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install eFootball application on your smartphone whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, open up your Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS user. In the search box type in eFootball. Look for this application from Konami. Now tap the Get or the Install button to start the download process. On your iOS device, you may need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Follow through the instructions and then you should be able to download the app right away. eFootball by Konami is one of the most popular football simulation games that lets you enjoy realistic matches and thrilling online gameplay. Just make sure that you are using Wi-Fi for downloading large files and updates. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device, and after waiting for a couple of minutes, the application should be downloaded on your smartphone. Tap on the Open button once the download is complete, and you are all set to experience the excitement of eFootball right from your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.